the kitchen cloth. So I love this cloth in my kitchen. I just get it damp with water and it removes 99% of bacteria off the surface. This is just like our E for Everything Enviro cloth, but it's perfect for the kitchen. So I'm going to show you on the tag, it says kitchen. So you can see that it says kitchen right there on the tag. So you know that it's for your kitchen. So something that makes this different than the Enviro cloth is the weave. It's actually a thinner weave that you can almost see through, so that way it dries quickly. The drying process is what helps the silver to purify the cloth. So you want it to dry between meals so that you can continue to use it throughout the day. It also has these great little ridges in it that help scoop up crumbs, which I've got some crumbs here on my countertop. So all I do is take my cloth. This is also great for getting sticky stuff off your counters and all that kind of stuff too. So you're just going to take your cloth, you just wipe off your counters, and I'm going to show you how instead of just pushing all the crumbs around like you'd be used to with a normal dishcloth, look at that, how much of all of that it picks up right there onto the cloth. All those ridges help hold on to all those crumbs. And another great thing about our cloths is they come in lots of colors. So here's just a couple: gray, teal, black, but any color for any kitchen so that you have exactly the colors that are going to match your color scheme. And we also have a new texture for the cloths too, if you prefer that over these little lines or ridges that we have in our cloth. So get a set of kitchen cloths or a kitchen towel and cloth. The cloths absorb 7 times their weight in water. So it holds on to a bunch of stuff, so if you have a little spill, you can quickly grab your kitchen cloth and absorb that too. All right, thanks for watching, and get some kitchen cloths. No more wipes.